Guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you the DIY that produced this wash and go. Honestly, this is the best wash and go I've had in probably months, you guys, and I'm super duper excited to share it with you. So first, you're going to need a ripe avocado, and then you're going to want to get some maca root powder, and then a bowl. So before I go any further, I just want to explain what maca root is to those of you who may not know. It is basically a plant that grows in Peru, and it is a superfood and has so many benefits for the body, you guys. I started using it to boost my mood and to boost my hair growth and things like that, and also with weight gain, and it's done so much more, you guys. My skin has been glowing. I feel energized and just really good. It's such a nice addition to my smoothies in the morning. So I figured, like, what if I applied this topically? So I looked it up, and it turns out that maca can be used topically, and that is what inspired me to do this mask. I get mine off of Amazon for about 20 bucks, you guys. A little lasts a super long way. You're only supposed to use like a couple teaspoons a day. I'll link the one that I use in the description box so you guys can get it as well. So for the first step, you just want to grab your bowl and scoop in about 2 to 4 teaspoons of maca root powder. Then you want to grab some water and add about a cup to your mix. You just want to mix these together to create a really nice, smooth baby food-like consistency, you guys. Maca can be a little grainy, so just make sure you get all of the clumps out. Then you want to grab your avocado and slice them in half, and then scoop out a half into your processor or blender or NutriBullet, whatever can give you a really nice consistency. So next you're going to want to add a healthy oil of choice. I chose avocado because I thought it was very fitting for the recipe. And I'm going to add in about 3 tablespoons. And then last but not least, scoop in that maca and water mixture. So lastly, I let it blend for about 45 seconds or so, and then I popped it off and I scooped it back into the bowl. If you are someone who likes a thicker mask or a lighter mask, you can definitely tweak the recipe to fit your preference. So now for the fun part, I'm just going to take apart my protective style. I've been wearing my hair in twists for a week now, and it's been such a great low maintenance style for quarantine, you guys. I highly recommend. So now I'm just going to saturate my hair with some regular old water, and then I'm just going to take the mask and apply it throughout my entire head. So now after letting it sit for about an hour, I'm just rinsing as much of that mixture as I can out of my hair before I shampoo, really focusing on my scalp, you guys. And then I'm going to go in with my shampoo. This is the OGX Biotin and Collagen shampoo. I love it so much, you guys. It's so moisturizing. And then I'm going to go in with my Biotin and Collagen conditioner. And you can already see just how moisturized my hair is, you guys. I'm just going to finger detangle it and rinse out the product. And as you can see, after like a 5-minute wash, my hair is so moisturized, you guys, and defined even while wet. So now out of the shower, this is what my hair is looking like, you guys, and I'm just going to add in a bit more moisture, and I'm just going to style my hair regularly. I'm using the Not Your Mother's Naturals Gardenia conditioner as my styler. And then after that, I'm going to add in some Eco Styler Crystal Gel, you guys, just for some extra hold and definition. So now after styling, this is what my hair is looking like when it is 90% wet. And this is what my hair is looking like when it is 98% dry. So I'm just going to go in with a favorite hair oil, and I'm just going to rake that through my curls to break up the gel cast and just to create a lot more volume. And then I'm going to go in and separate any curl clumps or any frizzy pieces, and I'm just going to go ahead and pick out my hair so that it is nice and full and big. There's a lot of shrinkage, you guys. The video in the beginning was like a couple hours after I did this routine, so that's why my hair looks a little bit shorter right now, but I don't mind it at all. It is what it is. Okay guys, well that brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. As you can see, my hair is super healthy and defined looking. Not only does it look this way, but it feels this way. My scalp feels amazing, and it's been, I don't know, I've been experiencing like drying itchy scalp a lot lately, and it hasn't been a fun time, but this definitely helped, and I think that I will add a scoop of maca to whatever mask I use in the future. Thank you guys once again. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Reach out to me, DM me, all that good stuff. Stay safe, wash your hands, and I'll see you in the next one.